South Dakota. We are at Badlands National Park. The landscape is just wild. It's epic and crazy and like nothing I've ever seen before. Okay, John, what do you think of the Badlands?
Badlands? More like a Radlands, am I right?
We haven't been seeing any wildlife at all, and as soon as we get back out west, because I'm counting western South Dakota as the west, we've already seen more wildlife here than the whole first half of our trip. I don't understand where the rest of the wildlife is in the rest of the country.
So Tiffany and I are here in beautiful downtown Rapid City, South Dakota. Most people think that Rapid City was named after Rapid Creek that runs through town. It's actually named after Christophe Rapide, who is a French trapper. There's a statue of him right there. Videoing me right now. We're in Custer State Park in South Dakota.
Yeah, and I think those are the Black Hills back there.
We're on the Needles Highway. It's pretty spectacular. This is really going to be the test to see if our van is 9 foot 9 inches tall or less. And Junior made it no problemo.
Bison Jam right now. I think we're kind of towards the back of the Bison Jam. There's some bison to the left and some bison to the right. It's just like being back in Yellowstone. I don't know if there are still bison on the road, but regardless, all of the cars have stopped for them. And it's helping me work on my patience while I drive.
Look at the bison here in Custer State Park.
We're really in the thick of it, guys.
Now, look at the bison right in front of our van.
We just hiked, we're almost to the top of Little Devil's Tower. There's John.
Hi.
And there, I think, are the Cathedral Rocks. And we met up with our fellow travelers, Paul and Ashley. Hop in the map.
Here in your travel.
Yep. So yeah, it's real pretty up here.
So Tiffany has never been to Wall Drug. I've been twice. It's something you just have to do when you're in South Dakota.
I'm excited to see it. Apparently there's a little bit of everything.
You're on a bucking bronco.
Yeah. So we made it to Mount Rushmore. It's much smaller than I was expecting. Kind of disappointed.
Wall Drug.
Too many people. Too many people in there. Yeah, look at our free bumper sticker. Bang.